Want this 3D tunnel? Here's how. At first, get your clips ready and make sure between your two clips is a gap, like in my case. Create a solid layer by pressing Ctrl+Y and cut it like shown. Then enable the proportional grid. Press Q to select the shape tool and mask the solid layer like I do. Now search for Saber, add it to your solid layer and follow my settings. After that, enable 3D layer on all of your layers. Copy the solid and increase the Z value by 700. This process you can now repeat as much as you want to. The more layers you have, the larger the zoom will be. Important is that between each layer, the value distance has to be exact the same. Enable time remapping on your second clip by pressing Ctrl+Alt and D and drag the layer like I do. Now go to the first solid layer. Press P to show the position value. Click on it. Press Ctrl+C to copy it. Go to your second clip again and paste it by pressing Ctrl and V. Adjust the scale value so it fits the saber edges. Activate the normal grid. Select the second clip. Equip the ellipse tool and mask it like I do. Press M while the last layer is selected. Go to the mask settings. Enable the stopwatch for the mask expansion and give the layer a little mask feather. Then go to the expansion setting, drag the value to the negative till your clip is no longer visible. Go to your next beat marker. Drag the value to the positive till it is fully visible again, and copy my graph. Create a camera layer and null object. Link the camera layer with the null object and enable 3D layer on it. Press P on the null object. Right-click the position and click on separate dimensions. Set keyframes for the Z position like I do. Easy ease them. Follow my settings and copy my graph. At last, enable motion blur on every layer and you are done.